Hello guys, my name is Balajied and welcome to my channel. It's good to be here. It's been 2 weeks or 1 week that I have not been able to make a video like this, an update. The reason that I have not been able to make a video like this because there is something happened in my place that I stay here in Meghalaya, because of some conflict or something is happening. I don't want to spread rumors or anything, so I'll just keep it like that. The government, due to that reason, the government has shut down the internet connection in my area, and all of Meghalaya people does not have any internet connection, except for some people, like they have NE line or something, and university and school and college, but it's being restricted to some website only. So YouTube has been banned altogether. YouTube, any social media and social site has been banned, so I didn't really get time to check anything or to update or post anything, because I don't feel like making video. I just feel like taking a day off or taking time to reflect on myself. And also I watch a lot of movie during this time, the last few weeks during the internet ban. However, the internet connection has been restored and everyone is happy. We cannot live without the internet anymore, because internet we cannot live without internet anymore, man. We cannot live without internet because today's generation, that is the world. I heard somewhere, I heard from Gary Vee that this world living, this is secondary, and the world inside the internet, that is primary. So it's been changing upside down. Before they used to call like inside the internet, that is secondary, it's a virtual world, but now the world inside the internet is primary. That is the world that you have to work. But this one will, while we eat or sleep, that is the secondary. I know that sounds weird, but it's okay. Let's see how it can be. I'm happy that the government has restored the internet connection. I'm sure that this will not happen again. I can't believe the internet has been banned again. Just on Wednesday that they reopened, on Saturday evening at 3 o'clock they ban again. So all the work, this video I could not even upload. Just when about to upload, the internet has been banned, so I have to remake this video like the other video, and now so it's very difficult for me to upload video again and again and to make video. So they should find a better solution. They should come up with another solution other than to ban this internet. That is my opinion. I don't know what to do with this internet ban or to solve this problem, but I'm sure that the government, they will understand the public problem. They will understand, like, some people are depending on internet to do the business, and also some university mostly depend on internet to get latest information, and also digital library, and also for project like making a website. We cannot make a website without internet, so all the project has been postponed. We didn't get to submit it on time. That is one problem, and the internet is back again. I'll upload this video, watch it, and this video is last week, so don't worry about it. Just think that it is today. See you guys in the next video. Oh, I already said that next future. Don't worry about it. Next, go on. I am surprised that every day, you guys are watching my video. I don't expect anything, but you're still there. You still support me, so thank you so much for that. And also keep continue to support me, and also I'll find a way to also give you back something. Maybe like the previous post that I have to make some giveaway, so I'll try to do that. So from next video I'll try to do something else, and that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh wait, there's a radio. I mean, I've never used a radio ever since I was a kid. So this one, my dad is using this one. So yesterday I just get a new battery for this. So let's try this one. That's an antenna. So the basic of this is you turn this wave, and then from on the back there is a something like that. So we put it up. There's a Kasi radio channel. That is 91, 92 or 93. That's a nice song. This is how you remind me. This is how you remind me of what it's so. This is how you remind me of what I really am. It's not like you. So sorry. I was waiting on a different story. This time I'm. It's a nice song. Okay, I'll talk something about this. I mean a radio. It has nothing. You don't have a SIM card. You don't have internet connection here. I mean, you don't have anything. Just an antenna and a battery, and you get many things. You get song, you get music for free. I mean, for free. So how come, like, I've been thinking a lot about internet. I mean, how come do we have to pay for our internet connection when we can get it for free, like this radio? Maybe I'm just thinking, like, maybe as a kid we all think like that, like but the technical specification or is different. I mean, the science behind internet connection and radio is different, or maybe it's the same, I don't know. But imagine this one, it has nothing, and still you can get high quality music from in this radio. And also in TV, there is only one channel. During my childhood there is one channel, DD1 we used to call it. In that channel, in that TV, there is only an antenna like this and a TV and nothing else. No cable, no dish, no nothing, no internet connection, but the TV is there. I mean, the picture is just very clear. We watch Shaktiman, we watch all sorts of cartoon, and also during the Sunday evening there is Bollywood film. They used to put it every Sunday. So but it is very high quality. I mean, why it is high quality like that? But how come the signal goes to antenna and the TV get high quality pictures, but in internet also it's the same, but in the TV without internet it's the same. I mean, same picture, same video, it's of high quality. I mean, it got me thinking, like, how come the TV work and the internet work? So I have to think a lot about that. I have to research, but nevertheless it's something else. I mean, there are things that there are things that public are not aware, or they are not allowed to access some information because of the regulation and for the benefit of welfare of all community of human race. That is what I'm thinking about. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon with another video or something else, maybe with guitar video or flute. I'm playing okay, when it comes to flute, last week, I mean on Friday, Thursday, I don't remember, there is a farewell program. We conduct a farewell program and I play an instrumental, but I don't have the video. I mean, no one took the video, but maybe they took, but I don't know who, so I didn't ask them to give me also, because I don't know them. So I'll try to play it here in YouTube. I have make an instrumental track instrumental I use in GarageBand, so I'll use that as a video next time. So thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching, subscribe and like and share, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.